had a diverse organization. I mean, you have the cosmologists that are looking at the beginning of the universe. We saw the quantum mechanics PhDs at NASA. You've got astronauts. You've got different temperaments, talents, and convictions. And I always say that that diversity of thought is the catalyst for genius and the secret sauce to building a high-performance team. I mean, what do you think of that concept? And, you know, maybe example where you've seen that in life.
So when you're undertaking something that's never been done before, you need the pioneering visionaries. You then have to back them up with the pragmatists that could do the appropriate analysis, that could do the necessary testing, that could do the actual layout. You need people with human skills that are able to connect all these pieces together. One of the first tasks that I faced was to fix the astigmatism in the Hubble Space Telescope. And there were two teams involved, the science team and the people doing the optics and the electronics, and the people who would do the ballet in space, the astronauts, and the crew in NASA Houston. And the two of them weren't getting along. So instead of bringing in a typical project manager who would have been deeply technical, I went to the U.S. Marines and we selected a F-18 flyer named Randy Brinkley, an officer, an amazing man who understood human nature, and he was the conductor. He led the orchestra with the saxophones, violins, clarinets, all the different people with all their different skills. And it literally was an 11-day ballet. So you need the individual people with the diversity of skills, but then it needs someone that has the right integration capacity to do it. And in this case, it was an F-18 flyer, a Marine.